Hello everyone, welcome to MobileMaths with Kamchran. Today I want us to look at solving equations number 6. So here we have got some brackets that we are going to be dealing with. So what you do, you first of all remove the brackets there and then you solve the problem. So I'm going to remove the brackets. 2 times y, I get 2y. 2 times minus 2, I get minus 4. I've removed the first one. Then I say plus 3 times y, I get 3y. Then plus 3 times minus 7, I get minus 21 is equal to 0. Now that I have this, I group like terms together and these ones together. Okay, so I have 2y plus 3y, then minus 4 minus 21 is equals to a 0, like that. So that's what we are going to be doing. Now 2y plus 3y, we get 5y here. Then minus 4 minus 21, we get minus 25 is equals to 0. So now I'm going to take this one to this side, it becomes plus 25. So I have 5y is equals to 25. Let's divide now by 5 to get our value of our y. So we are going to divide by 5 both sides and we get our value of our y. If we divide both sides by 5, we get our y is 5. So our y is equal to a 5. This is our answer there. Okay. Now let's go on to the next question. So we are going to remove again the brackets and then we solve. So for the first one, I'll have 5y. I'll have 5y. 5y plus 8 times 5, we get a 40 there. Then plus 2y, then plus 2 there. Okay, like that is equal to a 0. Grouping like terms, I've got 5y plus 2y is then plus 40, then plus 2. Okay, like that is equals to a 0. So I've got 7y here, then plus 40, 42 here is equal to a 0. Okay, so now when we have this, we can take this to this side and it becomes a negative. So it's going to be a negative 42 there. Okay, so now we have that. We can now say 7y is equals to minus 42. Okay, let's divide now by 7. Divide by 7. Okay, dividing by 7, I'll get here they cancel off each other. 7 into 42, we get a 6. Okay, so our y is equals to minus 6. That's our final answer there. So our y is minus 6. Let's move on to the next question. Okay, so this one we are going also to remove the brackets. 3 times 2x, we get 6. We get 6x there. 6x. 3 times 3, we get plus 9. Minus 7 times x, we get minus 7x. Minus 7 times 2, we get minus 14 is equals to a 0. Okay, grouping like terms, I've got 6x minus 7x. Then plus 9 minus 14 is equal to a 0, like that. Here, I'll get a minus x. Then plus 9 minus 14, I'll get a 5. So I'll get minus 5 there. Okay, is equals to 0. So since I want to find the value of x, I can take this to this side so that it becomes plus x. So when I do that, I'll have my x is minus 5. Okay, so our x value is equal to minus 5. Let's go on to the next question, number 4. Okay, so here we also do the same. We remove the brackets, 5v, first one, then plus 10 plus 3v plus 15. This term is equal to 1. Okay, so 5v plus 3v, then plus 10, I'm grouping like terms, then plus 15 is equal to a 1. 5v plus 3v, we get 8v. Then 10 plus 15, we get plus 25 is equal to 1. Okay, so I'm going to remove this and go to this side. It becomes minus 25. So I'll have 8v is equals to 1 minus 25, like that. So 8v is equal to minus 24. Okay, so we can divide by 8 both sides. by 8 both sides, and our v is going to be minus 3. Okay, so our v is equal to minus 3 then. Okay, so that's our value for our v then. Okay, let's go on to the last question. Okay, this is our last question. We can say we simply also multiply and remove the brackets. 4 times 3, we get 12. I get 12 there. Let me write my 12. 12, then 4 times minus 5n, we get minus 20n. Then here, minus 7 times 5, we get minus 35. Minus 7 times minus 4, we get plus 28n. Then plus our 3 there is equal to 0. Grouping like terms now, we've got 12 minus 35 plus 3. Then minus 20n plus 28n is equal to 0. Okay, so this is basically this one and this one. I can say it's 15 minus 35. Okay, so I can have that part there, 15 minus 35. I will have 20 there. So here I can simply say this is 20 here. So I can write 20. Then minus 20 plus 28, I can get plus 8n there. Okay, is equals to 0. So it's easy for me to take this one. This side, it becomes minus 20. So our 8n is equal to minus 20. Okay, now we divide now by 8 both sides. Dividing by 8 both sides. By 8 both sides, I'll get my n as 2. Our n is equal to minus 2, minus 2. And we have got a remainder of 4. Okay. So we have a remainder of 4 over 8. And if we divide that, this is the same as minus 2 and half. Our n is that. So this is the value of our n, guys. Okay, bye-bye. Let's meet in the next video.